as they who mastered the old ways and the new. You were meant to be All-Father's knife, cutting our trail into the future. But you bit your tongue. You wallow in desire. You play your games. You are no BloodHound. You are a failure.
Arthur. Nay.
You failed your mother and father.
Nay.
You failed Boone.
Nay.
You failed your people.
Nay.
You failed your home.
Nay!
You have failed me. I am
Nothing. No. I am BloodHound! All Father guides all. My parents, Boone. To take our responsibility for all is to take the power of the gods. I am no god, and I am not for my love, for Boone. I assure we will meet in the halls of Valhalla. Ally creature, I cannot stop your suffering. Rirjesnik, but it is part of life. You are at your end, so let it go, vine creature. Go to Valhalla knowing you are not alone, and you are not lost. I am with you, and you with me.